She get a call from her mother.
She didn't tell you where she go.
It sound like kind of country she gone, you know.
She alright.
Me can't manage my life, you know.
Kareem, you love Tony?
What kind of question that?
You didn't answer the question.
Me check for her, you know. But sometimes,
Brother, what going on with you? Never ask you if you check for her. Me ask you if you love her.
me no know. Yo, more while, it's like I'm afraid of her. That. Me no know how I go.
Pray. That's not good. That's because of the agent thing.
I feel like that too, you know. Me feel like if me and her left, she'd have pray me.
She's a woman, you know. Of course she go pray you. I just saw it go, brother.
Yeah, but she's not one ordinary woman. She's an agent.
So, your priest should have hurt you.
Yeah. And nobody would even know.
Yeah, you look like you watch too much TV now, brother. Tony not do that. She really love you, brother.
Right now, I'm not even sure. Should do something? But my affair prayer are different.
What that?
She go in on my phone. And I can't trust any woman who do that.
Jaja, that's a violation of privacy still. You sure you never get a reason for do that?
What you talking about? She not no reason for do that. She's an agent and I know me not gonna feel safe.
So you reason with her about it.
It's like you don't understand. She not talk to me. The same day she search my phone, or the same day Vanessa come, and the same day the man come in here and get gunned down brawling.
Oh yeah. That I get for deal with.
Exactly. I know everything is all about the agency.
So should you see something on your phone for upset her?
She did see a picture with me and Tiffany when we there in Florida.
So that makes sure pray you. Tiffany and your ex. You must can heal her up if you see her. Brother, are you have to set that as a man, you know?
No matter what me say, she can always pray Tiffany.
You have to fix things. If you and your ex not in nothing, you have to show her that.
The thing is, Tiffany sent me some picture the other day and that caused the problem.
Look at her picture. Some body parts.
No, you know, some pictures of her belly.
Belly. You know that me ask you for body parts, brother. Belly are body parts too, you know.
Pregnant belly.
Oh. So she a priest that really there in Florida. And you link with her, maybe are you responsible?
Yeah.
So how did it go, brother? You did a link with her them way there for real? Jaja, bro. No, me see why you couldn't answer. Me ask you if you love her.
Me love her, you know, but it's like me love Tiffany more. Yo, that energy with Tony and I give me, it's like my mind has strayed from her. It's like my mind has strayed her.
You know, say you need to talk to her though.
Me I talk to her, but not talk to her about this.
So what you gonna do?
Next week, me I go back on the cruise ship contract. So me I tell her about that.
So brother, you really are gonna wait till the next 6 months before you say something to her?
No, I just not go forward back when I leave that time. Tony's first commitment is the agency. Me come second in a Tony's life. And me need somebody who me can come first in them life.